Yo guys, what's up? I just arrived at the local skate park, but I also have to leave right now because it started raining. Fuck. I'm heading at a spot right next to the skate park. It's an elementary school. There are not much to do here, but I'm not gonna get wet, and I'm also gonna do some flat ground and maybe some ledge. We are here, guys. This is the spot I'm gonna be skating, back there. This is it, not much to do here, but since I'm out, I'm gonna make the most of it. Yo, let's tag them SKATEFORHIVE clips. This ledge back there was unskateable, my friends. It didn't slide, it didn't grind, even though I put so much wax into it, but it sure was fun. Way much better than sitting at my house doing nothing. Anyway, thank you all for watching, thank you all for supporting me, my friends. Much love, I'm Skate for life, yo. Peace.